Hey guys, I'm here at McDonald's and the frozen toys are here. Yay! So let's see. It seems like there are 9 toys to collect from. Alright, so these are the only 2 toys that I were able to get today. I actually went to several different locations, but that's all that they had. And they don't even have the frozen box yet, so this is just a generic box. Alright, so let's take a look. I have here number 1, which is Elsa. Here she is, so beautiful. Okay, let's see what she does. So, it comes with this little launcher here. Let's see. Okay, I'm not really sure how this works, so I think you just put in the key and let's just find out. Oh yeah, you know what? I also got some stickers. They gave me some stickers here. So cute. Woohoo! Alright, so let's see. You stick this in here, I guess. Okay, there we go. And next up we have number 2, which is Olaf. He's like the cutest one of all, I think. Earlier I was at the store and there was this family here with kids crying because some of the guys ended up with this one here and they were crying, so they had to really dig through their toys box to find these for the boys. Gonna stick this in here. And it's action time! Okay, so we're gonna try Elsa first. So, here we go. Woohoo! Let's try again. You know what? This table is a little bit rough, so let me try to go find a smoother surface. Alright, so we're gonna try it on the floor now. It's a little bit smoother surface. Here we go. It doesn't seem to go any further than the rough table. Let's try one more time. Okay, that was not good. Alright, let's see what this guy can do. Woo! A little bit out of control there. Let's try again. Whoa! Okay, there we go. So this guy here seems to go much further than Elsa. Okay, let's try both of them at the same time. Ready, get, set, go! Okay, on your mark. Get, set, go! Well, so Olaf went like way further than Elsa. So he made it by that much further. Okay, so I guess we have a winner here. I guess Elsa, that's not really her specialty to glide along the snow. So this dude is the winner, and this is all I was able to get today. So stay tuned, and tomorrow I'll go hunting some more and see if anyone else will be able to beat him. Okay guys, check back tomorrow as I go hunting for more toys.